Hey everybody, I just thought I'd show everybody what it's like to open Growlies on this beautiful Friday morning. Here we are in the back lot and at the back gate door. And what we're going to do here, wrong key. You got to use the right key. There we are. It's all of our equipment. Keeps Growlies running. We're relying on good refrigeration company to manage that for us. And we got a security system in there. So of course this is our livelihood. There's our alarm system. That's a server that runs the business. We're at the store. The lights turn on based on what time of day it is, except for in the cabinets here. Turn on all the cabinets. There we go. And now we're going to open up the tills and then hit the open signs, and we'll be ready to go in about 7 or 8 minutes at the most, depending on how much change I need to get from the till drawers. And one last light. Got to plug in the little raw bar sign. And that's everything. We're all ready to go. Once I count my till, Growlies will be open. Thank you.